Now we will demonstrate how to test an extension lead. After performing a thorough visual inspection of the plug head, the cable itself and the sockets, for any cuts, charring, melting or other damage, you're ready to begin testing with a PAT testing device. In order to do this, you'll need to plug the plug head into the socket on the tester, and then you'll need to plug the testing IEC lead into the furthest socket on the extension lead. The IEC lead is then plugged in to the port, in this case on the top of the testing device. Testing devices will vary though, so you might find your port is in a different place on your device. Now that everything's plugged in correctly, we can turn the device on so we can start the test. With extension leads, it's very important to check whether they are surge protected or not. Those that aren't are fine to be tested at the standard 500 volts, but as you can see with this one, it is surge protected, so we'll need to change the test voltage down to 250 volts. How this is done is different on different testers, and some devices will not have this capability, so make sure you check that they do beforehand. For this one, I'll just switch it over to 250 volts. Now that's switched over, we can begin the test. On this device there is a specific button for testing leads, so we'll press that and the device will run through the 3 tests for leads. That is checking the earth continuity, the insulation and the polarity. This device will give a pass or fail message for each of these tests and then an overall pass or fail after all 3. Other devices may also display the resistance for earthing or the ampage for insulation testing, but they should still give a clear pass or fail message. Now it is good practice to repeat this process for each of the sockets on the extension lead, and it should pass in each of the sockets in order to pass overall. As you can see, for this socket, this lead has passed all of the 3 tests and has been given an overall pass mark. If an extension lead fails any of these tests for any of the sockets, a failed sticker should be attached to it and the result recorded, and the lead should be taken out of use. If it does pass, like this one, a pass sticker should be attached to it and the result should be logged. Another consideration for extension leads is the length of the cable. Those with longer cables may incorrectly fail these tests, and in these cases, the reading values from the tester should be compared against the current code of practice for PAT testing.
For an online PAT testing course, free guidance and practice tests, find us on www.healthandsafetytrainingfirst.co.uk or call us on 0330 122 6126.